How to fix the issue which says we cannot activate Windows on the device as we cannot connect to your organization activation server. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are getting this issue while trying to activate your Windows, it could be because of decrypted files. So for the first solution, you need to open command prompt. For that, click on search button, type in command prompt and run it as administrator. Then after, type in the command sfc/scan now and hit the enter button. This might take a while to detect all the files and folders, and it will detect all the decrypted files and folders and rectify it. Moving on to the next solution, open settings, go to system, then on troubleshoot, tap on other troubleshooters and search for Windows Update. Tap on the run button and it will detect any problem that exists on your device. So these are the two solutions that you can try on. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.